What's up everybody, Lycan-Strife here, Driftwolf Gaming, and today we're taking a look at something that's inside this box. So stay tuned and check out a word from our sponsor.
Check out Bestorx.com for a lot of cool items. Magnetic charging dock for HTC Vive, only $39.99. There's a lot to find on Bestorx.com, and stay tuned to the end of the video for a special discount code.
Our friends from Bestorx.com, Jack and Thomas, shout out to both of them, actually sent me this package. It took a long time because of customs and COVID stuff, still very annoying. So what this is we're going to open this up and we can already see right here what it says. It's a visible wireless audio adapter, easy to operate hi-fi stereo sound, long operational range up to 10 meters, visual display. I'm just going to open this up real quick to see what's going on. Again, very unprofessional how I'm doing this right now, but we want to check this out real quick and see what it's all about. So we have our little split plug right here, golden split plug. We have our USB charging cable, which is I think it's the micro USB, I don't remember. It's the one with little edges, little diagonal things on the side. And this is your 3.5mm jack. This is probably a bridge cable that you can use to extend this thing on. So what I actually think is that this one goes directly into here and we stick it into our Oculus Quest, because again, this is for Oculus Quest for people that have not known about this. I still have to figure it out. Oh, it has two modes. It has RX and TX. So we can choose actually if you wanted to use through Bluetooth or without Bluetooth. So I suppose when we're going to grab the Oculus Quest in a couple of minutes, the Quest 2, that we just have to plug this one in like this, and then plug this one into the Oculus Quest 2. It's very light, so I don't think you're going to be able to notice any difference on your headset when you're having it on your face. You can turn it on real quick. Yep, it powers on real easily. And it says battery life, it still has 3 little blocks, so it's missing the 4th. That's still good because that means we can actually use it straight out of the box. I'm going to turn it off real quick because there's not much that I can do right now with it, because we have to check out these plugs real quick. Oh god, these boxes, man. They're always so tightly packed like that. There we go. Just to give it a little bit of a shimmy shake. So what we have right here, this is actually a product that you can check out on their website. They just sent it to me because they are sponsoring me and they want me to test this out for their website, which I think is really cool. Again, these are people that sponsor me that just found me through my YouTube channel. Now that's the most or the biggest praise and honor that you can get, because you're not whining about anything. You're just getting stuff that they're sending you, and all I am is being very excited to test this out because I have time. Okay, so we're going to get this out gently. I'm going to put everything over here where we don't have to screw around with that anymore. So this is really cool. I'm normally myself not a big fan of these earplugs with these rubberized things on them. Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining about the stuff, but my ears are a little bit sore. I have this specific muscle that goes from my ear through my jaw, and I always have problems with that. If I go outside and it's warm, if I go outside and it's warm, it's gonna, and I go back into the cold or in the air conditioning, it's gonna like make this lightning feeling that's in my jaw and in my ear, and it hurts really a lot. So this is actually really cool. Low latency mode, press here for 2 seconds. This is that stuff that you see all those YouTubers and sporters and people with, athletes and stuff like that. These wireless, cool looking headphone or headset things that you can just plop into your ear like that. So these look really neat. Also very cool that the, it's a charging case. So what you can see is that when you open the box, it has a cool green light. When you open it, you can see 2 little pins per earphone where you can put them on so they can charge. And then of course, I think, there's a charging port on the back. So you can put them in very easily. I have to see which way they go. So there's only one way you can do it, which is great. You just put them in there and then they charge. This is actually USB-C, which is really nice. So USB-C, 2 earplugs with like foam on them, and then you can put these earpieces on. Either way, I'd rather have them with this foam in there because I think the foam is a lot nicer than these rubberized things. So these are called the N8-G TWS. Use time of earphone, about 4.5 hours, which is more than enough because I don't think even with the extended battery, the normal extended battery on the Oculus Quest 2, you're not going to be able to hold on that long, I think. I don't remember the exact hours or time that you can use it, but believe me, the Oculus Quest 2 goes down really quickly, especially if you're using like heavy games. Charging time, I was correct. It's 60 minutes, so it's 1 hour. The link distance is 10 meters. And the low latency is 45 milliseconds. Okay, so we are gonna need Bluetooth, I think, because we need to pair these with that other thing. Because this is gonna go into your Oculus Quest 2. That's gonna be the it's gonna be a receiver or stuff sending out. Well, this is gonna send out the signal from the Oculus Quest 2 to your wireless earphones. So that's actually really cool. Yeah, I don't like playing with like big jumbo earphones and stuff like that, or a headset over my Oculus Quest 2. So I actually think this is a very good solution that they thought of to do. Oh, it even has a game mode. Oh, that's a low latency mode. Long press right button for 2 seconds to switch to the game mode and the music mode. Okay, now it says power off. That's actually nice. So it's English and it says power off. So it does work. That's really cool stuff. So again, I actually think that this is a charging case that you can use without the USB because it has a battery inside, of course. But if you need to charge the charging case again for the earplugs or the earphones, then you can put it into power. So that's actually good. I've never had these things before, so this is pretty new for me, which I think is really cool. So we're going to get all of this out of the way. And we're going to see if we can get it working on the Oculus Quest 2 and see how easy that's going to be. So we're in stationary boundary right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn this little thing on. Again, welcome, power on it says. We're going to put that in the side of the Oculus Quest 2. And now we of course need the Bluetooth. And we're going to figure out if it's gonna find these little plugs. Haha! I don't have to do anything. I do not have to do anything. I can tell you that right now. It already says paired. Do any of you guys can see that? It already literally says paired N8G. So we're going to put back on our VR headset. Okay, I hear game mode. Now, I hear sound. There you go. This is great. This is perfect. And again, I don't feel anything of this thing on here right now. So again, we're going to go into Star Wars Pinball. And I just want to listen real quickly. Okay, so the sound is actually not that bad. So what I'm going to do is record video. There we go. So now we're in the VR mode. Press A to continue. I hate it that they do that. Oh crap. It's really not that bad actually. I do wish it could be a little bit louder, but it's loud enough. Wait.
All right, hang on. Hey, it's me.
Really not that great at pinball. Pretty boring without music. Oh well. So we're like I said, we're just testing this out real quick.
What is thy bidding, my master?
No.
Obi-Wan
Okay.
has taught you well.
It's probably the last ball that I have. Oh no, there's actually one that came back very quickly. Ooh. Almost all of the voices are really good except those from Luke. Okay, again, so I'm just letting the ball go.
Has taught you well. The Emperor has been expecting you.
Okay, so again, when I'm playing with this right now and I hear the sounds, it's really not that bad. I really thought they could be a lot louder, but once you're like kind of into the game and you know, they're not going to be super loud like your normal over-ear headset or, you know, headphones. But these inner ear things, they're pretty close to your sound receptors inside of your ear, if that makes any sense. And I do feel very immersed right now. Like, I know that I'm talking to the camera, but I'm still in this whole Star Wars thing. And yeah, it's just great. It's such an easy solution for something. So we're going to stop the recording right here. Works perfectly. So again... it's right there. I hope it's still blue. Yeah, it's still blue and white. You can still see that, I hope. And again, just out of the box, a very simple solution for better audio. You can just plug these into your ear, put on the low latency mode. I actually did not feel that there was any latency at all when I was playing and hearing the sounds of the flippers and the ball and everything else and the stuff happening around me. So this is a great product, just quickly like this. I mean, I haven't, of course, played hours with it. I'm doing this on the fly as we're going right now. But it's just great. It's a very simple and elegant solution. Yes, you have this thing sticking out. Yes, it uses Bluetooth, but I don't think it's, of course, a thing that's powered by itself. So it's not going to be using a lot of power coming from here. Sure, it has to have this connection in there to convey the sound towards your wireless earplugs, but I think it's really cool. Thank you for watching it so far, and you can get the 25% discount code in the description down below. I'm going to put it lower than the normal text so that people that actually watch this video completely till the end see that code. And if you want to get this set for yourself, very easily, go to Bestorx.com. You can put these back into the little box that they came with. Boom. And boom. Clickety click. Close it. And there you go. And this thing, very easily, you just pop it off like that. Very simple. And you hold the power button. And it's off. There you go. And that's all you need. Little receiver or transponder, whatever you want to call it. This little plug, which is actually very handy even for things when you're on your PC or whatever. And yeah, you can even use this cable and then just like stick it up on here. Isn't that a good idea? Let's see if that's going to work. I'm not going to use a specific sticker or anything. But if people are like, oh, I don't want that thing sticking out, or maybe I'm going to hit it with my head because, you know, sometimes you put your hands up to your head. You're just going to put this one in. You're going to put this one in here. And there's multiple ways that you can either do it. You can just roll up the cables and just stick it onto up here. You know, I hope you guys can see that. Up on here with the cable. Or just put it on the Velcro, put it in the back, whatever you want, man. It's very easy. You can put it on the side maybe even, right next to your cable management for your extended battery life. I think this is an amazing product. Okay, so to summarize real quick, this is just an amazing little piece of kit that you can use for your Oculus Quest. You can use these, the bridge cable, and you can pop it on top of your Oculus Quest or on the side. If you rather not have it on the side, where it's a little bit more harsh, you know, it's on the side, it's sticking out like that. You might just put your left arm up and you might snap it off. So that's why they have this thing. If you are somebody who can take that into account and is responsible, or you can just use the flexible cable and just put that on there and just swap it over on the upper side of the Quest 2, or maybe on the side or in the back. So that's really nice. This thing just works really well. You just turn it on and you just automatically pair it with your little earphones or earbuds right here in the charging case. Now again, this is something that's new for me because I've never had these things before, and they're absolutely amazing. So the charging case seems to be a little bit magnetic. There are two little plugs on there. It's very difficult to see. There are two golden plugs over here, two little golden circles, and you can just plop it in and it snaps into place. So it's a little bit magnetic, which is nice. You can then see that it's charging or that it's done charging if it doesn't glow anymore. Again, very easy. Nice little looking plugs. Very responsive with the buttons. Easy to just pop into your ear like that. Again, I'm not a big fan of the rubberized things, the little plugs that come on top. But the foam ones are actually very easy to just pop off. You can just grab them by the tip and just take them off like that. So now right here I have the foam thingy in my hand. And yeah, you can just pop it back on. You just have to make a little bit of a circular motion. And the other plugs, the rubberized plugs, you can just put them on there as well. You just can swap these foam ones out if you don't like them. Pop them in. In the box it actually says L and R, so it's easy, you can mix them up. So this is the right one, there we go, and this is the left one. Again, my ears are a little bit funky, that's why I leave the foam ones on. And yeah, they work perfectly. So again, when I was reviewing them in the Oculus Quest 2 whilst playing VR, I noticed that I thought they were not loud enough, but you just have to cram them in your ear a little bit more. So again, I'm not a big fan of putting those rubberized things in there because they tend to get stuck or they annoy me. But these foam ones are very gentle and they're nice to just plop in. Again, you just drop these back into their magnetized little box and they start charging, or they're already done charging, which is just great. You close the box, has this nice little green light. And I actually found out when one or the other has been fully charged, you can still see one of the two lights. There you go. One is still charging, the other one's already charged. Oh, now it comes back on again. But yeah, they're both on right now. Yeah, no, I think they're both charged. But it really has to do when you open the box or when you close it. And I've seen like a couple of minutes back that one was fully charged and the other wasn't. And it actually shows through these LEDs as well, which is really cool. Now the nice thing about this whole package is it's not expensive. You can check out the price on their website. You can use it for your Oculus Quest 2, but if you want, you can use it for your PC. You can use it for your TV maybe even. Again, this little transponder thing right here with the cable, it has Bluetooth and you can choose to either not use it or use it. So that's nice to have a decision like that you can decide what you want to use or not. And you can use this in conjunction with a lot of other stuff that you have around your house. And you can use the plugs probably with your phone when you go out jogging or do another sport or whatever. You just want to sit back and relax in your chair and just listen to music, to your music up close and personal. So again, there's a lot of versatility regarding this product from Bestorx.com. So I urge you all to go check them out, Bestorx.com. Use my link in the description down below for your 25% off discount. So again, Bestorx.com. Thank you very much, Thomas and Jack. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like, subscribe, check out Bestorx.com, get that 25% discount code, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.